Hello everyone, so today we are going to solve the pattern 3 question. Let's see how to solve this pattern 3 question. So first cut this question from here and go to the board. See the question. So if you see the question clearly, then you will find out that in the first line there are 4 spaces and single star. In the second line there is 3 spaces and 2 star. In the third line here you can see there is 2 spaces, 3 star. In the fourth line there is 1 spaces and 4 star. And in the last line there is 0 spaces and 5 star. If you see it clearly, then you will find that the n value is here 5. So in the first line the number of spaces is 4. That means the spaces are printing from n minus 1. So the space printings are starting from n minus 1. And if you see it clearly, that star is starting from 1. Here you can see star is starting from 1. So the star is starting from 1. Now we have to print this out. All of you know that for int I is equal to 1, I less than equal to j, I less than equal to n, I plus plus. What does the loop do? Basically this loop will run n times, because here you can see the loop is running from 1 to n. So this loop will run from 10 times. All of you know that. What we will do? We are going to printing these values, that how many spaces in each line and how many stars in each line. So let's do it. So take the user input, int n is equal to scn dot next int. Okay, now I told you that n is not n, space is starting from n minus 1. Here you can see there is 4 spaces. So if n is 5, then space is starting from n minus 1, that is 4. So let's put it here. Int space is equal to n minus 1. Int star is starting from 1. Okay, so I miss here. Star is starting from 1. Then take the loop. Int I is equal to 1, I less than equal to n, I plus plus. So the loop is running from 1 to n. Now for printing the next line, here you can see after the 1 star and 4 spaces there is a tab. That is the next line. So for spacing the next line in Java we use system.out.println. Okay, now see, now we are seeing this. Now you can see that in the first line the number of spaces is 4, then 3, then 2, then 1, then 0. That means the spaces are decreasing. And here you can see the number of stars in the first line was 1, then 2, then 3, then 4, then 5. That means the value of stars are increasing. So let's do that. So the spaces are decreasing and the stars are increasing. Now print the values and check if it is right or not. So system.out.print, the value is the first value is spaces plus, that is star. Now see, value is right or wrong. So I put 5 and now okay, I think I have to put the next line at the end of the loop. Now run it again. Here you can see the input is 5 and see all the output. So here you can see there is 4, 1. So let's print the pattern. There is 4 spaces, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 1 star. In the next line there is 3 spaces, 1, 2, 3 and 2 star. In the next line there is 2 spaces and 1, 2, 3 star. and in the next line there is 1 spaces and 4 star. 1 2 3 4. So see, at the last there is 0 spaces and 5 star. So print it, 0 spaces and 5 star. So what we are printing in the console, basically we are printing that how many times the spaces are appearing and how many times the stars are appeared. So now we are going to printing the actual output. For printing the actual output, it is very easy, because printing the actual output is very easy. If you control the variable, then it is very easy to printing the stars, because anyone can do that. But controlling the variable is the main part of this kind of questions. You have to think how you can control this kind of how you can control this kind of variables, like how to control the spaces, how to control the stars. That's that thing. So now print it. For int j is equal to 1, j less than equal to spaces, and j plus plus. Now print it. System dot out dot print spaces. Now for int j is equal to 1 to j less than equal to star and j plus plus. Now print the system dot out dot print star slash t. Now check if it is work or not. Hit the run button. Here you can see it's printing the correct output. Now run it 1 second and check if it is working or not. Okay, it's giving me the wrong answer. Why so? Okay, I think I did some mistake here. So actually the problem in this code that I did not remove this line. That's why it's giving me the error, because I am printing the value also. So now check it. Hope it will run again. Yes, it's run perfectly and it is now accepted. Now submit it and check. Yes, here you can see this is the correct answer and this is the correct output. Hope all of you learned from this video then how we can solve these kind of problems. So I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.